This is a 1982 Chevy C-10. Picked this up on a trade. Traded a guy a 90 model Ford Mustang for it. Mustang had a good running motor but a bad 4-speed transmission. I flipped the Mustang when I was 16 and I rolled it 3 times down a 20-foot embankment. Then the car sat for 7 years after that, not touched, not started, not nothing. And the guy wanted it for fixing up for himself to drive. So he traded me this truck. He said the Mustang's cheaper on gas than what this truck would be for him. Not bad looking truck, runs and drives good. I just put a clutch in it, just got done putting the transmission back in. Got decent looking interior. Ugly yellow, one of these days might get it painted. Got a really nice motor in it. Motor's been punched 40 over. It's got a competition cam in, it's got a high-rise intake. A brand new Edelbrock 4-barrel on it. It's got long tube headers with dual Flowmaster exhaust system on it. Got a flex fan, MSD ignition system. Somebody put a lot of money into the motor and then a very, very cheap paint job on it. Started it up. So the motor runs really good in it. It drives good now. When I got it from the clutch is completely gone. It wasn't even so much as pull out in first gear, let off the clutch and just sit there. It's got 12.5-inch wide rear tires on it, just get it to hold traction. It's got a 4-speed Muncie racing transmission in it. Got a Hurst shifter. It's got all 4 matching rims and center caps. Just has a spare on the front right now. If you live around Alabama and interested in buying this truck, it is for sale. Just message me. The only thing the truck really needs is a new paint job. The truck used to be purple originally. Someone painted it yellow and you see how bad that looks. But the rear bumper